Welcome back to the Pickup Garage, where we bring you the latest and most exciting pickup trucks from around the world. And today, we are taking a detailed look at the newly updated 2027 Toyota Tundra, a tougher, smarter, and more adventure-focused full-size pickup that is entering the market with a sharper design, new technology, enhanced safety, and an all-new Trailhunter package. Toyota has officially revealed the major changes for the 2027 model year. Although the company says complete specifications and pricing will be announced in fall 2026, so some details are still to come. Starting with the exterior. The 2027 Tundra receives a refreshed front-end design intended to give the truck a more modern and purposeful appearance, while keeping the aggressive character that has made the current generation Tundra so recognizable. The overall body remains unmistakably Tundra, but Toyota has sharpened the styling and added details designed to make the truck look even more capable on the trail. For buyers who want serious factory-backed adventure equipment, the biggest news is the introduction of the new Trailhunter package, which expands the Tundra lineup with a dedicated, overlanding-oriented configuration. The Trailhunter is particularly interesting because Toyota is positioning it as a factory-built solution for customers who want to explore remote locations without immediately turning to the aftermarket. The package is based around off-road and overlanding capability, giving the Tundra a more adventure-focused identity. Meanwhile, the TRD Pro continues to serve buyers looking for a more aggressive, performance-oriented off-road truck. And for 2027, Toyota says, the TRD Pro gets Tundra-tuned, Fox-enhanced Q3S shocks, red tow hooks, and a bold new honeycomb color. Under the hood, the 2027 Tundra continues with Toyota's twin-turbocharged V6-based powertrain strategy, rather than bringing back the old V8. The current i4CE engine produces 389 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, while the available i4C Max Hybrid produces an impressive 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. Toyota has not yet announced a completely new engine specification for 2027, so these current figures are the best reference point until the full 2027 specifications are released. The i4C Max Hybrid is one of the most attractive choices for buyers who want both serious performance and additional functionality. The system combines the twin-turbo V6 with an electric motor integrated with the transmission, providing strong low-end torque and rapid response. On the current Tundra, Toyota rates maximum towing capability at up to 12,000 pounds, whilst maximum payload is up to 1,850 pounds. Although final 2027 figures should be confirmed once Toyota publishes the complete specifications. One of the biggest upgrades inside the 2027 Tundra is technology. For 2027, the 14-inch Toyota Audio Multimedia touchscreen becomes standard across the lineup, bringing a much larger and more modern interface to every Tundra. Toyota also says the latest multimedia system includes a more responsive embedded voice assistant that can respond to "Hey Toyota" commands, while a built-in dash camera is another important new convenience feature. Toyota is also upgrading the safety package for the new model year. Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 becomes standard on the 2027 Tundra, bringing updated hardware and detection capabilities. Depending on the system's configuration, drivers can expect advanced assistance such as automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, lane keeping assistance, traffic sign recognition, automatic high beams, and proactive driving assistance. This is a major improvement because the Tundra is not only designed to work hard and explore off-road, but also to provide more advanced driver assistance during everyday driving. Another particularly useful upgrade is the availability of a 2.4 kilowatt inverter on Tundra models equipped with the i4C Max Hybrid powertrain. For people who use their truck at campsites, work sites, or remote locations, this feature could make the Tundra considerably more practical, by providing substantially more onboard electrical power for compatible equipment and devices. Inside the cabin, the Tundra continues to combine a rugged truck atmosphere with modern comfort. The dashboard remains practical and substantial, with physical controls alongside the large touchscreen, while higher trims can deliver a considerably more premium experience. The current lineup already offers features such as leather trim seating, panoramic roof availability, premium JBL audio, and upscale interior materials, so it will be interesting to see how Toyota expands those features for the 2027 model year. From a capability perspective, the Tundra remains one of Toyota's most serious full-size pickups. The current truck uses a multi-link rear suspension designed to balance ride comfort, towing stability, and handling, while its composite bed is available in multiple lengths, including 5.5 foot, 6.5 foot, and 8.1 foot configurations. That combination makes the Tundra suitable for everything from daily work duties to long-distance towing and weekend adventures. Now let's talk about pricing, and this is where we need to be careful. Toyota has not yet released official 2027 Tundra pricing. Toyota's official announcement says the complete details are planned for fall 2026. Some automotive publications are currently estimating a starting price around the mid-$40,000 range for the regular 2027 Tundra, while hybrid versions are expected to start considerably higher, but these are estimates rather than confirmed Toyota MSRPs. For context, the current 2026 Tundra Street Arts at $41,260, while the current TRD Pro is listed at $72,565, and the range-topping Capstone reaches $80,800 before applicable charges and options. These current prices give us an idea of where the 2027 lineup could sit, but viewers should wait for Toyota's official 2027 pricing before treating any predicted number as final. So, what is our review of the upcoming 2027 Toyota Tundra? The biggest strength is that Toyota has concentrated on upgrades that owners can actually use. The sharper exterior gives the truck a fresher appearance. The new Trailhunter package brings more factory overlanding capability. The standard 14-inch screen modernizes the cabin. Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 improves driver assistance, and the available 4-kilowatt inverter makes the hybrid Tundra more useful away from the pavement. The biggest question is whether these changes are enough to make the Tundra a serious threat to the Ford F-150, Chevrolet Silverado, GMC Sierra, and Ram 1500 in an increasingly competitive full-size pickup market. Toyota is not reinventing every part of the Tundra for 2027, but instead appears to be refining an already capable platform and responding to the features truck buyers have been asking for. For customers who want a reliable-looking, powerful full-size pickup with serious off-road potential and hybrid technology, the 2027 Tundra is becoming a very interesting proposition. And let's not forget that there are plenty of rumors and speculative designs circulating online about even more extreme future Tundra variants, including high-performance off-road concepts. Those should not be confused with officially confirmed 2027 production models. For now, Toyota's confirmed story is the refreshed Tundra, the new Trailhunter package, the upgraded TRD Pro, standard 14-inch multimedia technology, Toyota Safety Sense 4.0, and the available 2.4-kilowatt inverter for i4 C-Max models. Overall, the 2027 Toyota Tundra looks less like a complete revolution and more like a carefully targeted evolution. It keeps the powerful twin-turbo V6 and i4 C-Max hybrid philosophy, retains the truck's rugged personality, and adds meaningful upgrades where modern pickup buyers expect them. If Toyota gets the final pricing right, the new Trailhunter package could become one of the most appealing choices for buyers who want a factory-built adventure truck without sacrificing everyday usability. So, what do you think about the newly updated 2027 Toyota Tundra? Is the new Trailhunter package enough? to make it your dream off-road pickup? Or do you think Toyota should have gone even further with the redesign and performance upgrades? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this detailed first look, make sure you subscribe to the Pickup Garage, turn on notifications, and stay with us for more upcoming trucks, new generation pickups, off-road monsters, specifications, prices, and the latest automotive reveals. This is the Pickup Garage, and we'll see you in the next one.